learning English speaking. For more of this interesting and wonderful educational content, please support us by clicking the subscribe and follow button. Thank you all.
Girl, sadly, Mom, I think Poppy, cat's name, is not feeling well. I noticed that she is not playing or eating like usual.
The girl's mother, concerned, we must take her to the animal doctor immediately. Let's make sure she's okay. The girl and her mother take Poppy to the animal doctor's office. Animal doctor, hello, what can I do to help you?
Girl, sadly, Poppy looks sick. Can you check her up and help her?
The animal doctor examines Bobby, cat's name. Animal doctor, after examination, Poppy appears to have a respiratory infection. I will give her some treatments and instructions to take care of her at home. Girl's mother, thank you, will Poppy be okay? Animal doctor, yes, if the treatment and care are followed well, you will gradually feel better. The doctor gives the girl and her mother medicines and instructions.
Girl, we'll take good care of you, Bobby. You'll be fine soon.
The girl and her mother return home and take care of Bobby with care and love. After a period.
Girl, happily, Poppy is getting better. Play again and eat with appetite.
Girl's mother, with a smile, yes, she looks much better now. The animal doctor's work was great. The girl and her mother continue to care for Poppy until she returns to full health. This is an example of how a girl and her mother take care of their cat when she gets sick and how they meet the animal doctor to take care of her and ensure her recovery. For more of this interesting and wonderful educational content, please support us by clicking the subscribe and follow button. Thank you all.